All right, boys, welcome back to the channel. I have a car that I want to show you guys. No, it's not the Z06. No, it's not this freaking Hellcat. And no, it's not this Z06. But it is another Corvette. And no, it's not this Corvette or this Corvette or the little Beamer. Let me show it to you. Now guys, it is a little bit dirty, but this is our 2021 Corvette Stingray. And if you guys can't tell from the video, this is a full carbon exposed car. This is our carbon wide body kit for the C8 Stingray. Now, if you see the beautiful Z06 right there, the Z06R, and the Stingray right there, that car, get a little closer, that car and this car all started off the same. This car is insane. Not only is this car full carbon, not only does it have custom 3-piece wheels, and not only is this car on bags, but this car does have something super special that we actually have two of these. We have this one in a convertible, both carbon, but both of them have the same thing. Now let me turn it on and see if you guys can hear what is so special about this car. Now let's pop in here and fire this thing on. Let's see from the sound if you guys are able to tell what's up with this car. There is something special in this car, and it is right there behind my head. Now, if you know what that is. And when I said this car was full carbon, I was not joking when I said full carbon. This car has double-sided on every single panel that we switched out on this car. Now, this is not an overlay. This is a full panel replacement. And the door sills. This had to be stripped out, cut out, and fully replaced. The amount of work that it took to get this done, it's remarkable how long it takes to do something like this. We did 2 of them in 3 weeks. And what I wanted to show you guys, which was so special about this car is ProCharged. So this car did go to late model racecraft LMR in Texas, did get a motor done, it got a ProCharger put on, it got a custom intake manifold, it's got a cooling system, it's got a full fuel system. This car freaking rips. Supposedly, like the plaque says, 700 horsepower. This car does make a lot more than 700 horsepower, but if you guys can tell, this thing is a beast. I've had the pleasure of driving this car every here and there, and I can tell you this thing feels insane. And honestly, the weather is so nice today, I think it would be a shame for me to not take this on a little rip down the street and show you guys kind of what it sounds like and what it feels like. All right, bro, don't break the car. Come on now. I'm gonna try not to. Okay, let's see. Are you ready? Yeah, let's do it. Go like full throttle in this thing. I'm not even gonna lie. The tires, I don't think the tires are warm enough. The tires aren't calibrated to the right spec right now.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Honestly. If you guys didn't notice, we got another person in the video. Show yourself in the video.
Oh, I look chopped right now, but what's up, guys?
This is a YouTube video, bro. Put the phone vertical.
Whoops.
Okay, for sure. You want to get an exhaust clip from the back?
Alright, so he's gonna get us some exhaust videos or exhaust sound clips of it. Anyways, Adam, what do you want to do, bro?
I'm just gonna floor it down the street so the people can hear what it sounds like.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, ready?
Damn. The supercharger or ProCharger whine is actually crazy. I don't know if you guys hear it, but damn, bro, it sounds insane.
Bro, this thing has no traction at all.
Yeah, 0 traction if you look at the freaking tires.
Well, I think like we should do another video, but we should bring both of them. Like this one and the purple
Oh,
one.
the other one too, yeah.
Yeah.
But the purple one drives better than this one.
It just needs an alignment.
Yeah, this
Better
one just,
tires.
Yeah, better tires.
It has cup twos and it's still the stupid.
Yeah, it's still, yeah. So this is what it's like to be a passenger princess in this car.
Gay!
I'm gonna go in the straight. I don't want to floor it.
Yeah, don't floor on the turn,
Yeah, I don't want to floor
bro.
on the turn.
And just so you guys know, we get owner's permission, so.
Ready?
Yeah. It never gets old. It does not get old.
So fun.
It's crazy.
The ProCharger, like, oh my, I can't even explain it, bro. It's not like a turbo or like a supercharger. It's like, it's so weird how the power is just linear throughout the whole pull.
It's like you get a perfect feel of exotic and American muscle at the same time, you know what I mean?
Dude, this thing is so freaking fun.
Yeah.
I think we need to keep this car.
Yeah, I think we do too, bro.
This is so sick. Okay, so we got her parked up here at the shop, right next to the Z06. This is gonna be the outro to this video. If you guys are interested in any of the parts that you guys see on these cars, carbon wide body kit, wheels, bags, this car is gonna get like a full makeup. This one is one of our new hoods that we just came out with, plus a few other things that we're gonna be coming out with. This car does have our carbon lip, the canards, our front hood, the side skirts, and the rear wing. This one also does have the Venturi exhaust. This car is super sick. Sorry, it has the Venturi intakes and a Valvetronic exhaust. I'll put a little sound of what it sounds like here when you start it up. But if you guys are interested in any of these parts, please feel free to call in Auto Addict USA, ask for Adam, I'll hook you guys up. I'll also put a link down to our website and I'll add my promo code so that way you guys can just hit me up, put in the promo code, you'll save 10 to 15% off on all of our products. This thing is freaking sick. This thing is sick. I'm gonna let you guys go on this one. Happy Friday, and I'll check in with you guys next week. I was gonna end the video a little early, but I figured I'd show you guys these. This is our C7R Z06. This is a Z06 that just showed up for some cool forged carbon stuff. This is the purple one I was telling you about that has the color shifting. This thing is super badass. It's on OEM wheels, but it handles really nice. That's the Z06. This is the one that we just recorded. This is the red Z06 that showed up for some more stuff. And then this is our test dummy car. But this is a crazy lineup. And this car is the one that has the F1 exhaust. If you guys have seen the AFD setup, super crazy lineup. Insane. Anyways, this is how we'll wrap off the video with all the Corvettes here. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.